So many questions that come about how to take care of the postpartum. When the lady actually has a baby, no matter whether delivered with a cesarean section or a normal delivery, how to take care. I am Dr. Shilpa, consultant gynecologist practicing in Harley's Clinic in Andheri, West Mumbai. The body has done something miraculous, something amazing. There is a baby which is born. Now the whole changes to a pre-pregnancy state is a postpartum changes. So we get the changes in the tummy, that the uterus starts shrinking. Uterus shrink to its original size in a month to 6 weeks. There are changes in the skin. There was fluid all around the body and the fluid will go. So there are changes that we will speak about. There will be changes in the hair that happens in the postpartum period. We will attend that part too. What about the bone health? Bone changes that happen in the postpartum also becomes a part of it. Let's entertain all these things one by one. Let me talk about the belly changes which happens postpartum. Immediately after the delivery, the uterus is still big. It is still around the umbilicus, and eventually with time the uterus shifts back to the original, which is behind the pubic bone. These changes from that big to that small uterus will take 4 to 6 weeks time. This we call in our medical term as involution. In involution, the fluid which is formed or the discharge which is called, we call it as a lochia. The fresh red color discharge which was in the starting part become pinkish, oranges by the end of it. So the bleeding can actually last till 40 days. It should never be too much. Too much of a bleeding is called like 1 or 2 pads soaked in 1 hour. That requires an urgent medical attention. The changes in the skin of the tummy, the laxity of the skin happens. Of course, the skin is stretched to a next level and now it is supposed to get back. We have stretch marks which are pinkish or reddish or purplish in color and eventually will become shiny white in color. There are changes in the muscles. The muscles are stretched to again next level. Sometimes there is a space between the rectus. We call that as divarification of the recti, that the laxity of the tummy affects. How to recover from these abdominal changes? So truly with time nature heals. Not to absolutely normal way, correct, that you would become like a pre-pregnant, but with efforts and with the care, these changes can be reversed. Uterus, no doubt, if there is no infection with the feeding of the baby, the uterus is going to involute to its normal position. But the skin would require care. Eventually, the stretch marks would fade from the shiny, it becomes like a white shiny in the end. They would decrease in number, become smaller, but they will not go away. There are so many creams and treatments available, but truly it's a controversial thing how much they actually benefit. There are laser therapies which is available to take care of the scar, and sometimes if the scarring is too much and the lady is conscious, we do something like a tummy tuck in which we remove that scarred area in case it is required.